So, you have probably tried to take a break from TikTok or delete it entirely. But time and time again, you find an excuse to get back into it. Or even worse, you ever feel like after scrolling TikTok for way too long and you just feel empty? Not sad, not happy, you just feel nothing. Yeah, me too. So I've researched the entire internet, how to actually delete TikTok for good. And finally, I can say after 6 months of no TikTok, it has changed my life and inspired me to create this YouTube channel actually. So I've watched lots of YouTube videos, but they all say the same thing. So I created something that actually worked for me. Step 1. Understanding that TikTok is actually worse than you thought. TikTok isn't just entertainment. It's emotional whiplash. In 20 minutes, your brain sees more emotional shifts than it was ever designed to handle. One video makes you laugh at brain rot. Next, you see a crying girl talking about her breakup. Then boom, a story about kids starving in Africa. Then a productivity hack, etc., etc. So you basically feel sadness, inspiration, madness, and you feel funny all in 3 swipes. And your brain? It will eventually shut down. You can't process that much, that fast. So it protects itself the only way it knows how. And that is by going numb. That blank, drained feeling after scrolling, it's emotional exhaustion. You didn't relax when you said you were going to. You ran a mental marathon and didn't even leave your bed. TikTok doesn't just eat your time, bro. It doesn't just shorten your attention span. It literally makes you numb because you're fried of your emotional intelligence too. It teaches you to skip life. It teaches you that silence equals boredom. Step 2, deleting TikTok. Delete the app. I don't want to hear it. I have tried everything. These notifications on my phones, blockers, taking a break, limits, blah, blah, blah. No, just fucking delete it, man. Taking a break doesn't work. You need full separation.
I can't.
Just like from your ex, bro. You should have just broken up. If the relationship is toxic, just break up. Step 3, getting your attention span back. Your attention span is like a muscle. Every time you just sit with yourself and read a book slowly, do something slowly with grace, you strengthen your attention span. But there is one rule to this. You have to get comfortable doing one thing at a time. If you're watching this YouTube video, don't scroll down to the comments. Don't open other tabs. Put it on full screen and focus your attention on me, bro. Don't skip over this. Don't put it at 2 times speed. You will see how hard it is. Your brain will tell you, oh, but we have to clean this. Oh, actually, I will watch a different video. No. All you have to do is stay here and relax and just simply be here for the rest of the video. What you are doing are bicep curls for your attention span. Step 3. Figuring out what to do after TikTok. The first few days, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna perhaps feel anxiety or boredom and other emotions. You'll reach for your phone without realizing it. And that's your brain craving the dopamine hit it used to get every 7 seconds. Let it pass. I know it's gonna be hard. So let me tell you how to make it a tad easier. You know what? Silence will be scary at first. But that silence, that's where you'll find your real thoughts again. Go on walks without headphones, read, call people, go to the gym, sit in your room and actually think again. I know it'll feel weird until it will feel peaceful again. Maybe start that project you've always wanted to start again, improve on a skill. And I promise you, after about 3 days, your mind will come up with ideas because that is what it's designed to do. Your brain needs time to rewire. And that's why it's so hard to keep it deleted, because TikTok taught you you don't have to wait.
Not yet.
So don't just remove TikTok, replace it with something. Step 4, getting your life back. Now, here's what no one tells you about quitting TikTok. Most people think they're depressed, but they're just overstimulated. You weren't born lazy. You weren't born unmotivated. You were just never meant to have your brain hijacked 300 times a day. Step 5, set an obsession. Pick one thing and go deep. Learn the guitar, study chess, or write a book. It doesn't matter what. After TikTok has been deleted for a couple days, your brain will already have figured out what it wants to do. So now you just have to choose. You can also build something by hand now. Make a playlist, make a sword out of wood. Do something tactical. Because when your hands build, your mind believes you can change. And if you've done this, your brain won't even be able to want to scroll on TikTok because it has better things to do, like living your life. So hope that helped, boys, and I'll see you in the next video.